Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the Pitti Engineering Q1 FY22 result update. So this video will be about the Q1 FY22 result of Pitti Engineering, which was also known as Pitti Laminations. So here is the picture in front of you. As you can see in the picture, 175 crore revenue for Q1 FY22 as compared to Q4 March 21. Then you can see PAT, profit after tax, is around 7 crore. See, a Q1 20 का कंपैरिजन करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज इट वाज कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन. सो आई थिंक दैट वुड बी अनजस्टिशिएबल टू कंपेयर. सो जून क्वार्टर जो है 21 का एंड जून क्वार्टर ऑफ 20, दैट इज नॉट बेसिकली कंपेरेबल. वो लो बेस इफेक्ट आ जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन सी astonishing YOY numbers, but that is not something which we should rely on. Basically Q4 quarter जो है वो एक थोड़ा reliable comparison है. So ये जो जून क्वार्टर गया है उसमें there was a lockdown and which impacted the business of Pitti Engineering, and definitely it was also highlighted by the management. वो आने वाले slides में मैं बताऊंगा. So this was about the finance. थोड़ा डिटेल में जाके फाइनेंशियल जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. ये थोड़ा रेवेन्यू का मिक्स है. हाउ द कंपनी इज जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू एंड फ्रॉम विच सेगमेंट्स कंपनी इज जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू. दिस इज द पिक्चर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. As you can see, the numbers are in crores rupees. Okay, so you can see from which segment the revenue is coming. LVLT motor segment is contributing major revenue. Fundamental analysis ये जो कंपनी का किया है उसमें I have discussed about what the company exactly, steel laminations क्या होते हैं, electrical laminations, and where it is used. Basically the link is available in the description box. Power generation segment is also contributing. Traction motor, wind generator and so on. Consumer durables का contribution बहुत कम है, but March quarter में it was जो consumer durable था it was relatively high, and it is likely that this consumer durable segment might do very good in coming quarters as well. So revenue mix gives us idea that there is ये जो capex cycle turn हो रहा है, the government and even the private sector is about to spend a good amount of money on the capital expenditure that will definitely help this company. Okay, so this was just a revenue bifurcation to understand the depth of which segments are contributing to the revenue. This next picture will be about the capacity utilization of the company's existing capacities of laminations and other products. So this gives us idea कि कितना scope है और company में. Here is the picture. As you can see, capacity utilization was 61%. 61% in June quarter 21. लास्ट ईयर का तो आप छोड़ी दो. Q4 में 73% था, एज अगेन दिस क्वार्टर 61%. सो आप देख सकते हैं इवन 175 करोड़ रेवेन्यू is pretty impressive, even after the capacity utilization was more than, I think it's more than 15% less. Still the revenue is healthy. So again I would like to highlight that even after the capacity utilization was low, the revenue was substantially higher. Okay, Q4 जो मार्च क्वार्टर है 21 का, उसमें 170 करोड़ था, बड़ा है रेवेन्यू जून क्वार्टर में, इवन इन द लॉकडाउन पीरियड. सो दैट शोज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ द कंपनी. ये था लैमिनेशन का कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन. नीचे मशीनिंग जो है उसका कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन 90% रहा है, विच वाज मार्च क्वार्टर में 88% था. सो फेयरली गुड कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन आवर्स में है ये, whereas in lamination से metric tons में है. So fairly good utilization in machining segment. Laminations में कम था, which is the major product of the company. It was substantially low, but revenue sustained रहा है even in June quarter. This is a picture submitted by management to the exchanges, which shows 5-year Q1 performance, June quarter performance पिछले 5 साल का on various parameters including revenue. आप देख सकते हो रेवेन्यू इज past 5 years का सबसे हाईएस्ट रेवेन्यू दिस क्वार्टर, जून क्वार्टर का इस साल हुआ है. सेम विथ इबिटा, highest this quarter. PAT again this quarter was the highest. Net worth of the company is again highest this quarter over the past year. Cash generation is also highest in the past 5 years in this quarter. पिछले 5 साल के जो ये क्वार्टर है जून क्वार्टर, वो कंपेयर किए गए, and this quarter June 2021 turns out to be the best quarter among past 5 years June quarters. So that was basically a takeaway from this picture. This next picture is also about the 5-year performance of Q1 quarter, but some more parameters. EBITDA we can see very good. PAT margin is okay, fairly. Please make a note that this was a lockdown quarter. Even after that, the parameters are encouraging. Working capital days was this time was 112, which is in line, okay, which is in line even after the lockdown second wave. Debt to equity ratio is showing a decreasing trend, and over the past year, I mean June 2020, there is a decrease, which is again pointing out at sound financial health of the company. Now management commented on the results, and here is one picture which is the managing director himself is commenting on the situation and company's result. This will give us a fair idea about how the company the company's management is looking at the current business environment. Here is the picture in front of you. We estimate that we are at the beginning of a multi-year growth cycle which we have not seen for last 3 decades. Means there is a strong capex cycle which is about to turn, and a big opportunity lies ahead of the company. We are seeing strong demand for our products and services across various applications from multiple end user industries, including railways, steel, cement, sugar, power generation, urban mass transit, industrial consumer, to name a few. We are very excited for the opportunities coming from new application and end uses of our products such as data center, renewable energy, 5G rollout, among others. ये जो completely new applications are also found in many new areas like 5G rollout, data centers. इसमें भी laminations और company के other products का use हो सकता है, which is very encouraging, and this might turn out to be a high margin business for the company. Let's see what managing director said about the de-risking of China-centric global supply chain, coupled with the progressive initiative of the Indian government such as Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat and PLI schemes will create unprecedented growth opportunities for us. I am happy to inform that all our employees and contractors have been administered with at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and a large percentage of workforce is fully vaccinated. Okay, that is encouraging. As a result of devastating second wave of COVID-19 that swept country in Q1 FY22, we incurred a revenue loss of about 35 crores. Number aa gaya hai, 35 crore revenue loss. Otherwise, the revenue would have been 210 crores. Okay, in the quarter on account of partial lockdown in various states. However, the financial performance of the company was pretty good, and we managed to post revenues of 175 crore with PAT, profit after tax, of 7.4 crore. The company has achieved turnover of 175 crore as of June 30, 21 and has an order book of 180 crores and order visibility of 330 crore as on the date. So order book 180 crore का already company के पास है, एक short term मतलब, and एक थोड़ा visible order book 330 crore का company के पास already visibility है. So we need not worry on that revenue front. Revenue is strong. थोड़ा कंपनी का कैपेक्स के बारे में इन्होंने पिछले वीडियो में भी मैंने कहा है कि दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द कैपेक्स, और कंपनी के ऊपर थोड़ा डेट ज्यादा है. ओके, दैट आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक वन मोर वीडियो ऑन पिट्टी इंजीनियरिंग टू स्टडी मच मोर दिस प्रोडक्ट्स इन डिटेल. और एक सच में इसमें एक बड़ा साइकिल टर्न हो सकता है, मल्टी ईयर ग्रोथ साइकिल. आई वाज पॉइंटिंग आउट के इसके ऊपर डेट थोड़ा ज्यादा है, एंड कैपेक्स इनका आंध्रा में एक प्लांट उन्होंने प्रपोज किया था. आई थिंक इट्स इन इनिशियल स्टेजेस और एडवांस स्टेजेस, बट वहां पे एक कंपनी एक्सपैंड कर रहा है आंध्र प्रदेश में टू टेक दिस मल्टी ईयर ग्रोथ साइकिल जो आज अब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन दैट, कंपनी इज एक्सपेंडिंग इन आंध्र प्रदेश. उसका जो कैपेक्स है दैट इज लाइकली टू बी फंडेड बाय डेट. उसके बारे में मैं डिटेल डेफिनेटली डिस्कस करूंगा इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस अबाउट पिट्टी इंजीनियरिंग. Thank you for watching this video. It was a short update on Q1 FY22 result, June quarter. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives and like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.